you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
186.6. I'm kind of shocked. I don't know, it's pretty cool. But 186.6. So I'm starting to get into the 180s, mid 180s. That's awesome. I'm just kind of shocked right now. I didn't know I lost that much weight. You know, sometimes you walk around, you notice when you lose the weight. But yeah, it just seems like I go in waves with this paleo diet. I have been doing a little bit less fruit. I mean, so more of a keto version of the paleo diet. I don't know. I should do a video on the paleo versus keto diet, because I was looking at it the other day and just going what the differences are, and apparently paleo, definitely not keto. Paleo lets you do roots, like potatoes. I didn't know that. And I asked my wife. She said some people do, some don't, or some factions of it. I don't think roots are good for you, actually. I don't even think, this is an extreme thought, but for some, but I don't think garlic or onion are good for you. I think they're just all inclusive. They just kill everything, kind of like a chemotherapy version. But if you're really unhealthy, yeah, they're good for you. And there's ancient yogis that believe the same, which is interesting. They say it makes the mind kind of go, can't focus. So anyways, but I still eat those. Yeah, so I'll talk about more of the difference. I don't believe in dairy, but the keto is interesting because I've noticed that I do lose when I'm kind of stuck. I kind of just give up the fruits for a little while, a few days, and it helps out. Okay, all right, thanks guys. Check in next week.
It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.